So let's say you've been publishing videos for a while now and nobody's watching. It feels pretty pointless, right? I've been there. But let's just say a year from now your channel blows up and all these new subscribers start scouring your channel looking for your videos to binge watch. The big question will be, is there anything for them to watch? Or did you quit too soon? You see, the reality with YouTube is that most creators quit within the first 3 months. Not because they don't have potential, and not because their videos are bad, but more that they don't really truly appreciate what low views actually means. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why this stage matters more than you think, and why the worst thing that you can do now is quit, even when nobody's watching. You see, YouTube's algorithm doesn't trust a channel that publishes one video, disappears, and then comes back again 3 months later. Consistency is the signal. Every time you publish a video, you're telling YouTube, I'm serious about this. And once YouTube starts to believe that, that's when it starts pushing your videos out to a wider audience. And listen, I've been there. In my first month, most of my videos were barely breaching the 20 view mark. But then in month 2, I was averaging 40 to 50 views. And then in month 3, I started to average about 60 to 70 views. And now in month 4, I'm regularly getting anything from 100 to 400 views on each video. So I'm living proof that if you just power through those first 3 months, you will start to move the needle and you will start to get that validation from your viewers that you're doing something right. And here's the other thing, for every video that you publish, it's practice. Your editing, your delivery, your thumbnails, all of that starts to compound over time. Just think if your first ever video went viral. You wouldn't want that. It would be more down to luck than anything else. And then you would think that you've cracked the code and that all your subsequent videos after that would never improve because you think you could just carry on doing the same thing that you did in that first video. The key is publishing now whilst there's not many people watching. It actually helps you to get better quicker. It gives you that freedom to do some experiments. Try different things, see what gets reactions and what doesn't. And what does get reactions, to start to lean into that. Sure, one viral video might give your channel a shot in the arm, but the real key to growth is slow growth over time. Publishing consistently every week and striving to make small improvements as you do. In those first few months, treat each video that you publish as a mini experiment. You start to learn what titles actually click, what topics actually land well, and what completely flops. Think of each video you publish as data to analyze. Without having that data, you can't analyze it to see what it is that you need to improve or what you need to stick to. So you're not just publishing videos in those early stages, you're actually conducting tests to see what gets response. Another byproduct of this is that you're actually documenting your journey as you go. When your channel does start to grow and you start to gain those subscribers, they're going to go and binge your back catalogue of videos and see just how far that you've actually come. And that builds connection with your audience because they can see exactly where you started to where you are now. Think of every video that you publish from day one as being a future asset. So if your channel becomes monetized in the future and you start to get paid revenue from AdSense, that old video that only has 15 views may start to actually earn you money in the future. Because remember, every new subscriber that finds your channel is likely going to go and watch back your old videos. Those old videos from the first month that only had 13 views. And for each view that those old videos get from those new subscribers, you're going to get paid some money for that. So that back catalogue of yours on your channel starts to snowball with views, watch hours, and ultimately revenue. The real key to all this is momentum. Motivation comes and goes. If you rely on feeling inspired all the time, the likelihood is you're going to quit. But building consistency by publishing a video every week builds momentum. And momentum is what's going to carry you in those days where you don't feel like recording. Let's be honest for just a minute. Every new creator is going to have bad videos, especially in the early stages. But it's just a phase, and the best way to get through that phase is to power through it as quick as you can. If you publish one video and then you leave your channel alone for 2 months and then come back and publish another, all it's doing is dragging out that phase longer than it needs to be. Building that early momentum is going to let you power through that phase. Each video is going to get better and your viewers are going to see that. Every video you publish is getting you one step closer to that content that you're actually going to be proud of. So don't worry about the fact that you maybe suck in those early few videos, because we all do. And here's the thing, that breakout video that you're looking for, it might just be the next video that you publish. You don't know. I don't know when mine might be, but you'll never get it if you just quit. Breakout videos typically do require a little bit of luck, but the reality is you have to be in the game for long enough in order to get lucky. You have to earn that luck. So if you've just started out, don't let low views convince you that you're failing. It just means that you're in that early phase that the vast majority of creators never manage to push through. But don't quit and be part of that statistic. Keep going, keep being consistent, because the only way to win at this YouTube game is to still be standing after everyone else has quit. If you're in that nobody's watching stage right now, drop me a comment below. I want to see who the people are that are still pushing. They're still hustling to make their channel grow. Trust me, you're not alone in this. My channel's built a community of people that are hustling to grow their YouTube channels. So if you want to surround yourself with that energy, consider subscribing to the channel and look out for my lives. We've forged a really great community of creators who are all supporting each other and growing their own channel. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you should check it out. I've also created a free YouTube starter kit that you can download in the link in the description below. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.